Let's explore the news function. This is a new function we've added over the past week. If you're a logged in user, there's two places you can see the news. For your individual stocks in your portfolio, if you go to the dashboard and click on news, selecting the portfolio you're after, and then the stock that you want to analyze, it will give you the news for that particular stock. If you click read more, it'll open it in a new window or tab. Another way you can explore news is to go to the global news function. This is collecting news from around the internet, many different sites and analysts, and it's giving an AI summary of each article. Some of these articles are behind paywalls, so the summary is quite useful because you may not be able to read the entire article. And it's giving you particularly dividend related news. It's automatically filtering out anything that is not related to dividend stocks. You can then expand that filtering. If I go into preferences here, I can change to all or pick particular topics and pick different sources. I can also turn on a filter that will only show me stocks that are related to my portfolio. If I hit Save Preferences, it'll update the preferences. Then all you need to do is click from All News to Personalized, and it'll give you a personalized view of what's available. In some cases, there is no images because they're stock specific. In some cases, there is images. I'll just turn that off for now. When you want to click on a stock to read the full article, if you click here, it'll give you the AI summary. You can share that, or you can hit read full article. And as you can see, it's taken us to Yahoo for the full article in this case. And that is our news function.